Here's how this absolute nerd stole billions of dollars from customers based on a company that behind the scenes was a complete house of cards. This moron, Sam Bankman Friedman, was made out to be an absolute god in the crypto world. He was reportedly worth $16 billion, had multiple multi-million-dollar homes, private jets, naming rights to the Miami Heat Stadium, donated $35 million to political campaigns, was on the cover of Forbes magazine, and even testified to Congress, ironically, on how not to allow exactly what he did. Here's the simple explanation. Sam Bankman-Fried owned two companies, FTX and Alameda. FTX is a crypto exchange. Users deposit money into an account. That money stays on the FTX platform, at least it's supposed to, and they can trade cryptocurrencies. Pretty straightforward. The second is Alameda. Alameda is a hedge fund or investment company. They trade stocks, cryptos, etc., and hope they go up in value. And as it turns out, they were awful investors. They invested a boatload in a few different cryptos that literally went to zero. And here's where the criminal actions begin. To cover the losses that Alameda had from the cryptos going to zero, FTX loaned their customers' deposits to Alameda. And they did not inform customers that this was going on. It all came to a head when one of FTX's competitors, who actually happened to be a big investor in FTX, found out about this unethical lending and sold billions of dollars worth of investment in FTX in one day. And then they went ahead and tweeted about this lending and caused a run on the bank. Everyone said, I'm going to sell out of FTX right now to get my money back before I can't. And what happened was the money wasn't there because it was unethically lended to Alameda on the other side to cover Sam's losses in the hedge fund. This is a criminal action. He lost billions of dollars worth of clients' money to fund a trading practice on the other side that was unsuccessful. And what happened? He had to file Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And so what is he doing now? In the nerdiest of all fashions, issuing apologies and public statements exclusively through Twitters, through tweets, saying he effed up. You damn right you effed up. You lost billions of dollars worth of regular people's money to fund a lavish lifestyle, get yourself on the cover of Forbes magazine, speak in front of Congress, and tell them exactly what they should be looking out for, which is exactly what you were doing. You're a disgrace. And there are now reports that he's trying to flee on his private jet to a country that does not have U.S. extradition. What do you think? Guilty or not?